Greetings and welcome to a new series on working with charts in Microsoft Excel. This series looks at working with the bar chart. This video looks at two introductory topics associated with bar charts. First, the video looks at the structure and the vocabulary associated with a bar chart. Second, the video looks at two basic places where the bar chart appears in Microsoft Excel. A bar chart represents the amount of occurrences of categorical data such as regions, products, or any other non-numerical thing. In Excel, a bar chart uses horizontal bars to represent quantities associated with each of the categories in the dataset. Let's take a quick look at the chart and see how it relates to the dataset in a Microsoft Excel worksheet. A bar chart in Excel has two axes, a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. An Excel bar chart places words or labels on a vertical axis to indicate the items being represented in the chart. Microsoft calls the items on the vertical axis categories or category labels. Since the axis represents the chart's categories, Microsoft refers to this axis as the category axis. For the chart on the left side of the worksheet, Excel gets the category labels from cell A2 to A6 on the worksheet. For the chart on the right side of the worksheet, Excel gets the category labels from B1 to D1. Microsoft refers to the bars as the chart's data series. The horizontal axis, which provides the scale of value, is the data series axis. Each category may contain one or more data series. The chart on the left has one data series per category. The data series comes from cells B2 to B6. For example, the data for the Michigan category is in cell B2. The chart on the right side of the worksheet has multiple data series per category. The data for the data series comes from cells B2 to D4. The legend, the part of the chart that identifies what the colors represent, is found at the bottom of the chart. The words indicating what the colors represent in the legend are the chart's data series labels. For the chart on the left side of the worksheet, Excel gets the data series labels from the cell range B1. For the chart on the right side of the worksheet, Excel gets the data series labels from cells A2 to A4 on the worksheet. Excel has two basic types of bar charts, an embedded bar chart and a worksheet bar chart. First, a chart may appear on a worksheet along with other charts and data. This type of chart is an embedded bar chart. Let's look at an example of an embedded bar chart. The two bar charts on the worksheet are embedded bar charts because they appear together on the same worksheet along with some data. A single chart may reside on its own worksheet with no place for data or other charts. This type of chart is a worksheet chart. Let's look at two examples to differentiate between an embedded chart and a worksheet chart. The example on the left is an example of a worksheet bar chart because there's only room for the chart and it is impossible to add additional charts or data to the worksheet. The bar chart on the right side is not a worksheet bar chart despite being the only chart on the worksheet. The reason why the chart on the right is a worksheet chart is because additional charts or data could be added to the worksheet. This short video introduced Excel's bar chart. The video described the basic parts of the bar chart, including the category axis, the data series axis, and the chart's legend. The video also looked at the difference between an embedded bar chart and a worksheet bar chart. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. Until the next video, best wishes.